Simco Teachware is a cloud-based e-learning solution designed for use in schools and educational institutions. The program is an e-learning software where the student via internet on PC, tablet or smartphone is introduced to working with digital machine tools. The program uses both text, images and video sequences to illustrate the theoretical content. From the main menu, you have the option to add and edit books, courses and users, as well as checking your students' test results. Adding or editing a page is simple. Choose your desired book and add a page. Now you can write your headline and add content in form of text, video and images. The drag and drop function makes it easy to place the page in correct order. When editing courses, you can quickly change the dates, teacher and the allowed books to the course, keeping your courses up to date. Adding tests is fast and intuitive. You fill in the name of the test, the question, and correct and fake answers. You can add as many questions as you want. The test will immediately be shown under the student's site in the correct book and is ready to be taken by students. Creating your own NC programming exercises gives you the option to adapt your courses to your requirements. User Statistics gives you a great overview of your students and their performance, showing both the statistics and the full answers of every student. Students have big advantages as well. They can easily highlight and save text in books and add personal notes to all courses. Notes and highlights are accessible from the student's profile in the top menu. With Simco Teachware, your instructors can plan and spend their time much more effectively, which means more time for personal training and focusing on the need of every individual student. Simco Teachware. Effective teaching, anywhere, at any time.